मालीम प्रायव्हेट जेटीचो प्रकल्प येता म्हणी खबर हांवें खबरापत्रांत वाचल्या। हाची म्हाका कांयच जाणीव ना। पंचायतीनय अशा प्रकल्पाक कांय परवानगी दिल्ली ना। ह्या संदर्भात मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन उलयतलो। थळावो आमदार आपूण मंत्रिमंडळांत मंत्री आसा, मात ही खबर हांव खबरापत्रांतल्यान वाचतां। हातूंत कोण तरी पड्ड्या फाटल्यान रावन सुत्रां हालयता हें समजता, पूण लोकांच्या हिता आड कांयच जावचें ना। मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन पयलीं ह्या संदर्भात उलोवणी करून फुडें कितें तें कळयता म्हण मंत्री खंवटे उलयला। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I have read this news on the newspaper. I am not aware about it. हांवें पंचायतीकडे चेक केलें, पंचायतीन कांयच परमिशन दिल्लें ना। आतां सेंटरा कडल्यान कोणें समज प्रायव्हेट हाणें परमिशन हाडलां, पयलो पडटा की विदाउट स्टडींग who has given the permission to apply for a permission there. The local sentiments, fishermen, traditional fishermen, तांच्यो activities, project कितें आसा हो पंचायतीक पयलीं समजून घेवपाक जाय, लोकल आमदाराक खबर आसपाक जाय, आणि then the people are taken in confidence to spoken about it and then you decide. Better project आयलो म्हणून cannot be saying that what I cannot comment as of now because I need more details. But whatever the people want, I will be with the people to ensure that तांकां समज नाका जाल्यार नाका, जाय जाल्यार तांणी पयलीं कोण येता तांणी सांगचें पडटलें। They cannot just come and get some center nod without we knowing. I will take it up with the chief minister also to ensure that there is some transparency. अरे कॅबिनेट मंत्री हांव, लोकल आमदार हांव, आणि हांवूच पेपरार वाचता जाल्यार there is somebody playing behind the curtains. So if somebody has given permission from the local authorities, then we need to know who has given the thing before understanding the local issue of the area and the village. आज पर्यंत पयलींच्यान हांगा कितें आसा जाल्यार कोणे तरी फाटल्यान कजिनो हाडपाक ट्राय केल्लो चर्ची कडेन, लोकांनी अक्षरशः धांवडायल्लो। अशेंच जेन्ना येता जे हांगा नाका, ज्यो गजाली चलता आसा with all, it's okay. But somebody cannot just come and say that center permission is there and you want to put it. Whether Captain of Ports has given, we have asked for details. We need to know who has given details, what it is. So as it is too pre-primary for me to talk, I will share my sentiment with the Chief Minister, if required, right to the center, so that they understand if somebody has miscommunicated or misrepresented while taking these permissions, कि permissions घेता आसतना local authority पंचायतीचेर permission जाय। आता ते permission समज थंयच्यान दिला, कशें दिला म्हाका खबर ना। I think the पंचायत ते सरपंच आशिल्लो, आता सरपंच जाल्यार सरपंच म्हणटा आमी काय पंचायतीन दिवं ना। I think the biodiversity management committee also has taken it up very strongly. So let me first understand what exactly it is, and then I will put my comments together and also talk to the Chief Minister in this regard.